Hi guys, welcome to my new video where I'll show you the best photo editing app for your AI character. In one of my previous videos, I explained how to create a character and make it talk. In this video, you'll learn how to change clothes, apply masks, and add various objects to the picture. We'll edit the picture for free, so we only have 25 generative credits per month. The application is called Adobe Firefly. The link will be in the description of this video. After you have created an account on Adobe Firefly, go to Generative Fill, upload a picture of your AI avatar, and start editing as you wish. I will show you examples of the kinds of things you can add and delete. If you want to add something to the picture, go to Insert. If you want to delete something from the picture, go to Remove. For example, you can add a cup of coffee. Just mark the place where you want to put it and write cup of coffee. When you press Generate, it will offer you 3 options, and you can choose your favorite. If you don't like any of them, press More, and it will offer you additional examples. And you can change more things. I will now speed it up and show you examples before and after editing. This is how it looks like before and after. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button, drop a like, and turn on notifications to notify you every time I release a video.